Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to set a voicemail on iPhone. So here I use iPhone XR, but I will show you that sometimes we need to open this phone sections here, and we just need to go into the voicemail to check our voicemail. But then unfortunately the iPhone XR doesn't provide us the setting options for the voicemail itself. So the only voicemail that we can set up in this iPhone XR is just go into the settings, and just please you go into these sounds and haptics, and after that you can just focusing on the sounds and haptic patterns, and now you can choose the new voicemail here. In this voicemail you can choose any tones, alert tones that you want to have whenever you're receiving a notification. You just need to choose which one is satisfy you. There's still a lot of a option. Okay, and after you choose one, you just need to scrolling down and choose the ringtones as well. You can choose whatever you want to choose here, and after you're done you just need to click back and go into your home, and now the voicemail on your phone is already set up. That's all the way how you set up the voicemail on iPhone XR. If you find that this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.